Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a unboxing of the Warhammer 40,000 edition of the Monopoly game, and Monopoly is really well known and popular game in the world, and they have partnered with different companies and studios to release a different version of your favorite TV shows, games. So finally, we have also a Warhammer 40,000 edition. So this is a 2 to 6 player game, 13 plus, of course, and let's unbox it. So I will be using my Espada Large by Cold Steel. Okay. So obviously Games Workshop, as the owner of the IP. And for those who maybe stumbled upon this video or are mostly my knives oriented subscribers, this is a game, this is a miniature game by Games Workshop, and they also partnered with different companies to extend the franchise. I would say you have different card games, and now we also have a Monopoly for those who does not have time to say build and paint miniatures and play a large scale combat battles. Okay, so let's see these are the figures for the players, of course. Here is the content. Okay, so let's see. Some quick instructions. This is a nice pamphlet, reminiscent to the quick rules for Warhammer 40,000. You will also have in when you are buying the game. Okay, so inside the box we have nice spaces for the tokens. Here are the houses and some dice. And let's open the player tokens. So this is the Eldari one, so for your space elves. This is the Space Marine helmet for the Space Marine faction. This one is for the Tyranids or Tyranids, so your space aliens kind of faction. And this is of course Chaos. This tomb-like token is for the Necrons, so your Death or Terminator, so robot style faction, and this is a orc chopper for orcs. So nice tokens. Then let's see the cards. So we have the Glory Fate cards, and then the properties. Okay. Here is the orc chopper. Some or grenade. Bolter. So probably this one was the first, maybe. Okay, so let's see the properties. Outposts. Beautiful picture of the Canoness. So this is the Adepta Sororitas faction, or Sisters of Battle. Some more Sisters of Battle. Farsad Enclave, so these are the Tau. Ketachan, so jungle. Death World. Cadia. Yes. We know what happened to Cadia. Necromunda. A High World. Mortarion, Primarch of the Death Card. Beautiful art picture there. Magnus the Red, Primarch of the Thousand Suns. Ball. Yeah, homeworld of the Blood Angels. Fenris, home of the Space Wolves, or Vilka Fenrika. Ultramar, home of the Ultramarines. And we have the nice assembly. They could put Robuti Gilman there, the Primarch of the Ultramarines. Armageddon. Titan, so Grey Knights. Holy Terra Titan. A Custodian Guard. Forge World Mars. Crafter BL10, so this is the Eldari or the Space Elves. Craft World Sign-On. This is the Yanden. And the Ultway Craft World. Oops. They fell. Okay, and then we have the money, because Monopoly cannot be played without money. So let's see what we have here. Some Imperial credits, maybe or not. So we have ones, fives, and then some tens, 20s, 50s, and 500s. And also spare one. Some information. So let's put it here. So the money will go. These brackets here. Okay, so let's see the board. Let's see the board. I will probably show it in sections because it is really large. So these are the properties, of course, and here you take one card. And of course you go to jail, and they did not bother to change the graphic. So even in the Millennium 40,000 you will go to jail. Free parking. And just visiting. and the other side is just black. So yes, this was the unboxing of the Warhammer 40,000 Monopoly. If you have any questions, please, like always, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.